can barely see it, y'all. It's like white. What's up, y'all? It's Promise with a C, and I am back, y'all. Back with another video, so let's get straight into it. So, y'all, we gonna open up some contacts today, because that's what we got. A long time ago, I ordered contacts from Ttdeye or whatever it's called, and my mama ended up taking them, some of them before I could open them. Like, I have these purple ones that was just marinated, pink purple ones. So here we go, y'all. They double wrapped this. I ordered this before Christmas, y'all. It came not too long ago, but it was supposed to be a gift. I ordered a lot of similar ones, so I think, oh, I got 2 cases. Oh, I got 2 cases. I believe I ordered 6. So let's open these up and see. Merry Christmas. Girl, Christmas is over. Christmas has been over. First box first. Even though Christmas done passed. I don't know what this is, y'all. It's a contact. 1 year. It's supposed to last for 1 year. Okay, so y'all, this is, you usually say the color on there. Oh, they slipping today. This color. So let's open it and let's see. I guess they sending contacts in these. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh, they come separately. Should I think? Real eye. I ain't never seen them get sent like this. So I think they come separately like that. Ew. You know they always bring something. Let me show y'all. They always bring some little stuff in there, but I'm confused. Like, well, I only get 2 of these when I got 3. I think these go together. Hell, these are cute. They're like yellow, so brown, orange. You see? No, I'm not trying them. I'll be stopping the camera. Them is cute. Them is cute. Where can I put these? Just dress up my counter, I guess. Okay, so y'all, the next one is Hammy Melon Brown. Hammy. This shit is cute. These shits are cute. It's like a light brown with a dark brown outside. These shits are cute. You see? These shits are cute. So I'm trying to figure out which ones I'm gonna give my mama. I got a lot of similar ones. But these ones is like, the first one I opened is like orange yellow. I don't know. I'm gonna have to go look and see what them look like in the eye, because I don't remember. Okay, y'all, these ones don't have a name, don't have a picture. I don't understand why they be inconsistent with putting. Okay, so I think I had these ones before, which is hazel inside with a gray outside. Yeah, I think I had these ones before, and they're cute. I think these was my go-to ones. So being that I had them before, I might let them go. And they got different colors this time. Last time it was blue. Now let's get into the second box. Damn, how many y'all order? Okay, I thought I only ordered 6, but may all blessings of peace, goodwill, joy, happiness be with you at Christmas and always. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then here go the mirror that you hold in your hand. I'm gonna show y'all it. I don't think I used this at all last time, but I probably should have. Yeah, that probably would have helped a lot. My lips are purple. Yeah, I was kind of like struggling last time because I haven't worn contacts in forever. So I guess I ordered 4 pairs. So that made up for the, one of these makes up for the one that they didn't give me. And they gave me stickers, y'all. They gave a girl stickers. Is this a coupon code? Oh, and some instructions. About time. Here, y'all. So the first one is Fuji Gray. This is how it looks. So let's get it. I feel like I'm super close to y'all. I feel like I'm hella close. Damn. This shit should tight. Okay. I think this one I'm keeping. Okay, so it's a light gray inside with a dark outside. I think I had some gray ones last time. They kind of made me look a little creepy. Kind of made me look like I had, I'm buff. I'm getting buff. Kind of made me look like I had, like, a vampire eyes. Okay, the next one's is Daisy Brown. So it's going to be between Daisy Browns and Hemi Browns. Which ones I'm keeping. Oh, this is a green outside. See, this is the difference. Green outside, brown outside. And different color middle. It's like a red outside on this one, the Hemi Brown. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Let's put them up side by side to see. Yeah. These give me more of a just hazel look compared to that. What y'all think? I think I'm like, this is kind of like green. Daisy Brown. Daisy Brown. Okay, I see you. I see you. Okay, the next one does not have a picture on our side. Once again, inconsistent. Y'all like my hair? Do y'all like my hair? Show me that. Is it cute? What the hell color is this? I can barely see it, y'all. It's like white. Look. I'm gonna have to look this up, y'all. It's literally clear. Is it blue? I think it might be like a blue color. I'm about to go look. Okay, y'all, so I believe that the ones that I'm trying to figure out right here are cloud gray. So the Fuji gray ones, y'all, they actually are prescription ones. And I actually like these. Whoa, they're open. I actually like these ones a lot, but I'm gonna try to get them sent back because I can't wear no prescribed contacts. I already wear glasses unless they're my prescriptions, and I know for a fact what these say are not my prescriptions. But we're gonna go to the next one. These ones are cloud gray, I think. And the last ones are Irish brown. Yeah, I think I'm keeping these green. I think for a fact I'm keeping these ones. Yeah, most definitely. It's like that. These shits are sexy. These shits are sexy. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at these. Like, just look. Yeah, it's giving unique. My whole thing is though, fuck, these are prescribed. Fuck. God damn. Well, anyways, y'all, these are the contacts. Let me know which one were y'all favorite. I put all the ones that I got right here. I'll screenshot. So, or I'll put them throughout the video. I'm gonna just put them all right here. You see what you see. thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll let you guys know if they let me send those things back.